Hello from Säbyträsk and this spontaneous nudist beach spot on these rocks on a fairly small lake in Österåker Municipality, North Stockholm, very close to Vaxholm. That is one of the most visited spots for tourists actually, as it is basically at the beginning of the Stockholm archipelago, and there are many things to see as well. It's been maybe 2 months since I was here, and back then it was, I think, 27 degrees in the lake, which was the warmest I have been actually on in Sweden. So yeah, it's time for yet another beach day, yet another beach adventure with Chris. And the cloudy weather with the greenery, it really fits well. And this spot is definitely marked as a spontaneous nudist beach spot in the beautiful Swedish nature. And yeah, it is only 15 degrees Celsius in the air. So I was the only one wearing shorts and a t-shirt on the both on the metro and the buses. Everyone else was having winter clothes, but I don't think it's winter. 15 degrees, it's technically summer. And I was the only one wearing also bright clothes, as everyone else in Sweden wears usually gray or black, which I don't really like. I think that especially in this darkness, we should wear bright clothes to light up the mood. But yeah, it's time for yet another nudist beach spot, as I figured that the beach adventures at the nudist beach spots usually have more views, so why not? And I'm having a short break from the boat rides. Or maybe I will take the boat back to Stockholm actually, since there are boats from Vaxholm, but those are actually free all year around. It's only those far away destinations that are now free due to the low season that started 3 days ago on 14th of September. Today is 17th of September, midday now, almost 12 o'clock, and I'm off with the water thermometer, and I need to be very careful not to sleep here because yesterday it was raining, and yesterday I also fell in NUDE, the island that I was on. Unfortunately, luckily I don't have any bruises, despite have a little pain when it happened, but it went all fine. This lake is so beautiful here. This is Säbyträsk. What I don't like is that it's close to the very well trafficked road with all of the cars that go towards Vaxholm, but also towards some of the islands, as there are ferries that take also cars to the islands and can also go to Värmdö. So that is one of my favorite municipalities that I have been to in the past days. All right, so let's then get going. The water is clean and clear, and I saw many big fish jump here, as it is also forbidden to fish here. I saw a sign coming in, and yeah, it's then time to embrace. But first, let me tell you how to get here. You need to take the double-decker bus from Tekniska Högskolan or Danderyd Sjukhus 670, and it runs every 10 to 15 minutes actually during the rush hour, and it will leave you somewhere on the road, and it's around 800 meters walk along the well-trafficked way without any pedestrian line. But yeah, it's nice to say the least, and even though it's cloudy weather, it's still good. Okay, I'm slowly getting in, and I will need to reach my water thermometer that has been taken away now. The water seems clean, but a bit muddy somehow, as there are lots of plants in this lake, as it is, and it's also very close to the sea. So the sea is less than 200 meters from the lake. So Säbyträsk, another nudist beach spot. Let's see. I don't see anything here, but I think it starts to be deep very fairly. So ready, set, and go! Oh, it's not that cold actually, but it tastes like a lake for sure. And I'm chasing my water thermometer to say yes, 15 in the air, and in the lake we have 18 degrees Celsius. So 18 in the lake, that's decent enough, I would say, for sure. So yeah, I might have also a 10-minute swim here actually now that I think of it, and enjoy this wonderful beauty of nature all alone on this nudist beach spot on Säbyträsk lake. So thank you so much for watching this episode, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel, Beach Adventures with Chris.